Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Google Chrome your default web browser. Now what this is useful for is if you do press on a link, let's say on Discord or on any third-party application like Spotify, having your default browser set as, let's say, Chrome means that out of all the other browsers on your PC, it is automatically going to open it on your Google Chrome browser rather than on Firefox, Edge, or even Opera GX. So if that is what you're looking forward to doing, then this is the right video for you. To begin, we're going to be on our Windows homepage and we're going to head to the Windows Start button. From there, press on Settings, and then all you simply want to do is head to the apps. So right here, as you can see, we have apps, uninstall defaults, optional features. From there, we have multiple stuff we can do. What we are going to be doing is heading to default apps, which is the second option. As you can see, we have email, maps, music player, photo viewer, video player, all that. What we want to do is press on web browser, and from here, you can choose from Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Google Chrome. We're going to choose Google Chrome, and now your default browser is set as Google Chrome. So now, if we do open a link on Discord, on GitHub, or anything, any app really, we will be sent into that link on Google Chrome. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.